In 2004, the Frankston City Council commissioned Anna Minardo to install an artwork as part of the redevelopment of the Frankston Waterfront around the pier and the mouth of Kananook Creek. The result was this fantastic mosaic stream known as Oasis. As part of ongoing renewal through grants from the State Government Community Support Fund and Arts Victoria, the waterfront precinct was expanded with picnic facilities, restaurants and an adventure playground built. The area of the Mosaic stream is approximately 150 square metres and was inspired by water, waves and marine life through the use of different materials, marbles, granites and Venetian glass called Smalti, imported from Italy. This fascinating combination of materials allows for this place to glisten, capturing the eyes of passers-by much like an oasis in the desert. With Anna's architectural background, she delivered not only a design but also the manufacture of the different concrete paths and all of the components of the mosaic fabricated on honeycomb panels by taking into account the vehicle loading up to 10 tonnes.